Hey there, 9 to 5 soldiers. Are you fed up with being told when to take a lunch break? Those endless meetings that could have just been emails? And that one coworker? You know exactly who I'm talking about. Well, fear not. There's hope. Today I'm sharing 7 remote gigs that can help you break free from the rat race and potentially earn you up to $150 an hour doing what you love with no experience and no degree required. So, open up a new document, grab a pen and paper, and let's dive in. So first up, we have an online meme curator. Yes, you heard me. If you like to scroll endlessly through the internet while laughing at cat videos and wondering how people come up with such nonsense, then this job might actually be perfect for you. Basically, you'll be researching and collecting trending memes across various platforms, creating and sharing original memes that resonate with the target audience, and engaging with online communities to understand meme culture and trends. Some of the skills that you require include creativity, cultural awareness, and being social media savvy. You can pick up a job like this on ZipRecruiter and you can get paid from $15 to $25 an hour. Now go ahead and share this video with that one friend that can't stop sharing memes on Instagram. The second job we have is a transcriber or a transcriptionist. If you like to play Who Said That while deciphering mumbled words and pretending you're a detective in a crime movie, then this job might be for you. Some of the requirements include converting audio or even video recordings into written text. You'll have to ensure accuracy and proper formatting of your transcriptions, and then editing transcriptions for clarity and coherence. Some of the skills that you might require is a good typing speed, attention to detail, and some listening skills. You can pick up a job like this on rev.com and you can earn between $10 and $32 an hour. Now go ahead and share this video with that friend that always talks too fast so you can use them to practice your transcription. Next up we have data entry. If you like to type faster than a caffeinated squirrel and feel thrilled every time you hit enter, then this job is for you. Some of the things that you'll be doing is input, update, and maintaining data in databases or systems. You can even be verifying accuracy and competence of data entries, and then generate reports based on data analysis. Some of the skills that you may require here is the ability to manage and prioritize multiple data tasks. You'd also have to be technically proficient, and you'd need a good attention to detail skill. You can pick up a job like this on flexjobs.com and you can get paid anything between $13 and $18 an hour. Now go ahead and send this video to that friend that swears by Microsoft Word over Google Docs. Next up we have a social media moderator. If you like to dive into the comment section like a lifeguard at a pool party, ready to save the day from trolls and bad grammar, then this job is for you. Some of the things that may be required of you to do is to monitor social media platforms for user-generated content, enforce community guidelines and respond to user inquiries, and report inappropriate content. Some of the skills required here would be basic communication skills, conflict resolution, and familiarity with social media platforms. You can pick up a job like this on upwork.com and you can earn anything from $14 to $20 an hour. Now go ahead and share this video with that buddy who's always arguing in the comment section and congratulate him for creating job opportunities. If this video has been helpful so far, go ahead and drop a thumbs up to show your support. Next up we have a virtual assistant. If you like to juggle tasks like a circus performer while answering emails like a superhero, then this job is for you. As a virtual assistant, you'll provide administrative support remotely to clients or even teams. You'll manage schedules, emails, and other organizational tasks, and you'll conduct research and prepare reports as required. Some must-have skills is time management, tech savviness, and interpersonal skills. You can pick up a job like this on Fiverr and you'll earn anything from $18 to $35 an hour. Now go ahead and send this video to that friend that's always overwhelmed with their to-do list. This video is just what they need. Next up we have a UGC creator, which basically stands for User Generated Content Creator. Now if you like to film yourself trying bizarre food combinations and hope somebody will eventually pay you to do it, then this job is for you. As a UGC creator, you'll be required to produce content in the form of videos, images, blogs, or even audio. You'll collaborate with brands to align content with marketing goals and engage with an audience to encourage content sharing. Some of the skills required for this job may include the ability to produce high quality visual and audio or written content, marketing knowledge, and just pure raw creativity. You can pick up a UGC gig on Brand Meet Creators for anything from $20 up to $200 an hour. Now go ahead and send this video to that one random friend that always takes out their phone and films themselves eating. Now last on the list we have proofreading. If you like to correct typos with the zeal of a grammar ninja, silently judging everyone's misplaced commas, then this job is for you. While being a proofreader, you'll have to review written material for grammatical, typographical, and formatting errors. You'll ensure consistency in the style and tone according to the guidelines, and you'll provide feedback and suggestions for improvement. Some of the skills required here would be language proficiency, attention to detail, and critical thinking. You can pick up a job on weworkremotely.com and you can get paid anywhere from $16 an hour to $25 an hour. May your coffee be stronger than the Hulk's purple pants, and may your Wi-Fi be faster than the Flash on Black Friday. Oh, and keep avoiding that one coworker. Trust me, it's for the best. Instead, tap here or here to get a high-paying job on Upwork.